Jackson. So it looks like you're getting ready to get back into Java Honors pretty soon. And I was just thinking a good way to go about that might be before you dive into the further material in the book, maybe we could just back up a little bit and take another look at Music Organizer. I went back and looked at the version that you sent me, and I noticed something that I think we can improve. So let me just show you what I'm talking about here. What I did was I created this unit test class, and so I don't know if you've used this before, but you can so if I right click or control click if you're on a Mac, you get this menu, and one of the choices is create test class, so you can create test classes for your to test your work. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on that here, because there's if you go to, what page is this? Like on the course website. Actually, if you start off at tjleone.com and then just go to Java Honors and this page 4, I just clicked on the link number 4 here. There's a bunch of videos, and there's one by Jennifer Kay on unit testing that explains how all this unit test stuff works. But basically, so what I did was I ran this test on the play matching worked fine. I'm not going to play it here because it makes a lot of noise and messes up my video. So I'm going to just run the list matching one here. And this is what comes out on the terminal window. So the Big Bill Bronzy one looks fine, but then notice with Blind Lemon Jefferson we get 2 notices that there's no matches found, and then we get 2 matches. And with Testing Bruce Springsteen we get no matches found 4 times. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So the question I underlined in red here, it says in list matching you can find a way to print a message once the for each loop has finished. So we only want to print the message once the for loop is finished. Okay, so after the for loop is finished, if we didn't find any matches, then we just want to print it out once. So let's take a look in here. So you did set up a Boolean is match, but then we're checking. So and then this is good. We have is match is true if you found a match. Is that right? If the following, if we find the search string, then we said we do have a match. But then in here, look at, you're doing this check inside your for loop. So every time you go through, if you haven't found a match yet, you're going to print out no matches found until you get to a match. And you're going to loop that over and over and over again. So we want to move this stuff outside of the loop, like that. Okay. Is there a tool for? Let's try the auto layout. Yeah, okay. If we use auto layout, it kind of cleans things up a little for you. And then, and actually, here you could just say, rather than making this an if-else, you could just say if not. is match, right? Or you could have had a Boolean no match and started out as true and then set it to false if a match was found, or whatever. But this is a little bit cleaner anyway. Compile this and then try again here. So I'm going to clear this terminal window with Control K. It might be Command K on the Mac, I'm not sure. And try running my test again. List matching. And now we have, when there is a match, we don't say no match is found. And for Bruce Springsteen, we just say it once, no match is found. All right? So, so I think that would be a good way to start off. Just go ahead and, fix that up and send me that fix. And then actually, after you do that, I think you're just about ready for the midterm. So yeah, even before you do the auction project, you should probably take the midterm. So send me this, and then I'll send you the information for how you do the midterm. And I think you're pretty much on track, because you're still the midterm time really hasn't come up yet for you right now. So yeah, so you go ahead and send me that, and I'll send you the midterm, and I think we're good.